Welcome to Ca Ira Mill, nearly 95.5 acres, a mile and a half of riverfront along the Willis River, mature forest, open pasture, and multiple possibilities for home sites. This place is something else. But Ca Ira isn't just beautiful, it's loaded with history. Believed to be established in 1796, it grew into a small farming community. It served as a takeout point along the Willis River and became the area's main point of export. It was even named after a popular French Revolutionary song, one that captured the spirit of the era. This community flourished between 1826 and 1860, home to a few hundred residents who built something real here. The town eventually constructed a dam across the Willis River, creating a large pond to power a wheat grinding mill. Then, in 1825, a hand-dug canal was cut through the property, allowing free-flowing water once again, and making it easier to transport tobacco down the James River. Ca Ira became a serious trading post. Years later, that old trading post became the clubhouse for the Ca Ira Fishing Club. The original structure, a 1.5-story frame building with an English basement, still stands, just up the hill from the old mill site. It's been partially renovated and is ready to be finished. The wood siding, milled from poplar trees right here on the property. Someone put real love into this, and there's room for whoever comes next to put in a little more. Tucked between the original bridge workings and the mill remnants, you'll find a fireplace and a campsite that is, honestly, one of the coolest spots I've ever seen. At the edge of the property, a large field edged by willow oaks, with a newer 3-stall shed for whatever equipment you'll need. The land itself has gorgeous park-like topography, a road and trail system that follows the river the whole way through. Ca Ira Mill is teeming with history, natural beauty, and the kind of potential that doesn't come around very often.